Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up in Wombo Dream. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you don't know how to, well worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's look at how to sign up. Well, as you can see, I have opened up the application, and as soon as I opened it, this page opened up. From here, denote that you can simply sign in, but that's not what we're looking for. So I'm going to click on this button right here that says try it out. Well, as you can see, I have opened up the application, and right here this is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to sign up. At the bottom right, you can see a button like this, that is profile. Click on it right now. Then this page will open up. From here, you can simply create an account by clicking on this button right here. Else, if you have an account, simply hit on sign in. I'm just gonna click on create an account right now. Now from here, you can sign up using email, Google, or simply your Apple ID. Select whatever you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna click on sign up with email. You guys can select whatever you wish. Well, as soon as I clicked on email, it's telling me to enter my email address. I'm gonna enter it right now. As you can see, I've entered my email address, so I'm simply gonna hit on next. Now it's asking me to enter my password. I'm gonna enter it right now. After you have entered your password, simply click on next. And guys, that is it. Once you enter your password, it's gonna ask you to enter your username. And denote that you will not be able to change your username later, so be careful. Well, as soon as you enter your username, all you guys have to do is hit on next. And guys, that is it. As you can see, we have successfully signed up to Wombo Dream. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we sign up to Wombo Dream. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.